Ever checked your wallet and felt your heart drop because something's off? Scammers are getting craftier. But we're here to help you stay one step ahead. Hey there! Welcome to Tone Learn. Today, we're exposing the sneakiest and most dangerous crypto scams to watch out for in 2025. Let's break down the biggest traps and how Tone's ecosystem can help you stay secure. Trap number 1. Rug pulls. Picture this. A shiny new project promises huge returns. You invest. And then, bam! The developers vanish with your funds. That's a rug pull. In 2024 alone, over $500 million was lost to such scams. How to stay safe? Always research projects thoroughly. Check their social channels, team transparency, white paper or roadmap, and smart contract audits. On Tone, many trusted projects are active on Telegram, verified by the community, and share updates through official Tone channels. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Trap number 2. Fake token tricks. Scammers create fake websites and tokens to trick you into thinking they're the real deal. Some might even prompt you to connect your Tone wallet, which is a super easy way to get hacked. How to stay safe? Keep an eye on official updates from your favorite projects. Verify contract addresses using Tone native tools like Tone Viewer or Tone Scan, and avoid connecting your wallet to unfamiliar D apps. Don't rush into decisions. When in doubt, don't interact. Trap number 3. Suspicious messages and transactions. You get a Telegram DM saying, "Congrats, you've won 10 Tone, click here to claim." Or maybe random tokens appear in your wallet with a note to send to unlock your prize. These are classic scams. How to stay safe? Legit projects don't DM you out of nowhere or send you unsolicited funds. Never click on unknown links. Never share your seed phrase, and don't engage with shady messages. Trap number 4. MEV bots. Ever made a trade only to get a worse price than expected? MEV, or maximal extractable value bots, can snipe your transactions, jumping ahead with higher fees to profit off price changes. How to stay safe? Tone's fast transactions and low fees help reduce this risk, but always set tight slippage limits and avoid swapping large amounts all at once to stay safe. Top tips to stay safe in 2025. Do your own research. Research projects on Tone's official channels or trusted sites like CoinMarketCap. No audits? No investments. Separate your funds. Keep multiple wallets, one for savings, another for trading, and maybe a third for NFTs. Spot red flags. Crazy high returns or urgent DMs? Run the other way. Revoke permissions. Check wallet connections regularly and disconnect from any suspicious D apps. Start small. Test new protocols with small amounts before committing larger investments. Are we safe yet? Crypto scams won't vanish overnight, but Tone's fast infrastructure, user-friendly design, and active community are making it harder for scammers to succeed. As Tone grows, new tools like scam reporting bots and real-time alerts could make crypto even safer. Just imagine a future where spotting a scam is as easy as sending a sticker on Telegram. Protecting yourself isn't just about you. It's about building a stronger and safer crypto world for everyone. So, what's your top tip for staying safe in crypto? Drop it in the comments, give this video a like, and subscribe to Tone channel for more blockchain tips. Stay smart, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next one.